me and Ginger out there, man. You guys are insane.
Do you have eyes?
Talking about?
You must be dead.
Hey. Judas, is your furnace acting up again?
You are out of your mind.
Hi, Mom. You're late. Should have been here an hour ago.
I had work. I'm sorry. Have you two been in to see Grandma yet? Okay, I'm gonna go in. Hi, Dakota.
Hi. And then that's when she leaves. And so I'm like, well, what are you doing? And she's like,
Willie.
oh, hi, Maggie. Mom's waiting to see you. She's been talking all about you. She's just upstairs.
Awesome, thanks. Mom?
Hi, Maggie.
Oh,
Took you long enough.
I have been at work. It's been so busy. How are you feeling?
Well, I'm dying. How am I supposed to feel?
Oh, Mom.
I've been sat here for 2 weeks.
Do you want some food or anything?
No.
Do you want me to get you any?
Well, you should be expecting something.
What?
Something really great.
What are you talking about?
I phoned somebody.
You phoned somebody.
You'll see.
You've been here for 2... How? Mom. Willie! Guys, has Mom been talking about like an email or a phone call recently? Like something happening?
No, she hasn't told us anything. Here.
She's just going on
Have
about
some-
all this, I don't know.
Wait, what is that out there? Who are you? What the hell are you doing?
Maggie, what should we do?
What the hell was that?
Come in. Young man, do I know you?
You don't recognize me? I've come to say goodbye.
Are you going somewhere?
More like coming back. It's been a long time since I was last here. A lot has changed, and so have you.
It is you.
It is me.
I need to tell you something.
Virgil, what's happening?
Oh.